Good morning student, Jai Swaminarayan. Welcome back to Atmiya Green School, Jhareshwar Bharuch. It's class 8th maths and my name is Swati Sharma and it's time to revision. Okay, our revision, we have revised our chapter quadrilateral. Okay, and yesterday we have learned what is polygon and what is angle sum property of a polygon, and what is exterior angle property of a polygon, how many diagonal are there. Okay, now let's revise shortly. A quadrilateral has 4 side, 4 angle, 2 diagonal, and the sum of the interior angle of quadrilateral is 360 degree. Okay, we learned that means a quadrilateral has 4 side, 4 angle, 2 diagonal, and the sum of the interior angle of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. And what is the definition, main definition of quadrilateral? Quadrilateral is a simple closed figure formed by 4 line segment. Thus a quadrilateral is a four-sided polygon. Okay, quadrilateral have a four-sided polygon, and the line segment joining two non-adjacent vertices of a polygon are called the diagonals. Okay, there are two type of diagonal, that is convex diagonal and concave diagonal. What is convex diagonal? If each diagonal of a polygon lie entirely on the interior of the polygon, then it is called a convex polygon. Okay, and otherwise it is concave, means in a convex polygon measure of each internal angle is less than 180, and concave polygon will have at least one reflex angle. They have at least one reflex angle. Okay, what is regular and irregular polygon? A regular polygon is a polygon in which all the sides are equal and all the angles are equal, means regular polygon having equilateral and equiangular. Okay, and what is irregular polygon? Have unequal side and unequal angle. Okay, understand? Okay, now angle sum property of a interior angle sum property of polygon is always 360 degree. And what is exterior angle property of a polygon? Sum of exterior angle of polygon is 360 degree. Okay, understand? The sum of the exterior angle of n-sided polygon equal to 360 degree. Okay, now tomorrow we have talk about types of quadrilateral. Okay, types of quadrilateral. If you talk about a trapezium, so what is the main property of a trapezium having? In a trapezium, one pair of opposite side is parallel. In a trapezium, one pair of opposite side is parallel. Okay, in an isosceles trapezium, two opposite sides are parallel and the other two sides are equal. Okay, understand? In a kite, the two distinct pair of adjacent sides are equal and the diagonal intersect at a right angle. In a kite, the diagonal intersect at a right angle. Okay, now we have talking about parallelogram. A parallelogram is a quadrilateral. A parallelogram is a quadrilateral where each pair of opposite side is parallel. Okay, now what is the main properties of parallelogram? The opposite sides are equal, the opposite angles are equal, the diagonal bisect each other, the adjacent angle are supplementary. See, the adjacent angle are supplementary in parallelogram. Okay, what is the first property? Opposite side of parallelogram are equal, opposite angle of parallelogram are equal, and the diagonal bisect each other. Okay, diagonal of parallelogram bisect each other. Adjacent angle in a parallelogram is supplementary. Okay, understand? Adjacent angle of parallelogram are supplementary. Okay, now in parallelogram there are adjacent sides, opposite side, adjacent angle and opposite angles. Okay, understand? The opposite side of parallelogram are parallel and equal. In a parallelogram, opposite angle are also equal. The diagonal of parallelogram bisect each other. Okay, understand? Now if we talk about another one is, that is rhombus. Okay, what about rhombus? If we talk about rhombus, then rhombus is a parallelogram in which all four sides are equal. So in a rhombus, opposite sides are parallel, all sides are equal, opposite angles are equal, and diagonal bisect each other at right angle. Okay, understand? Means in a rhombus, diagonal bisect each other at a right angle. Okay, so रोम्बस एंड, मैंने आपको कल बताया था रोम्बस एंड स्क्वायर में बहुत सारी सिमिलरिटी है. क्या सिमिलरिटी है? देखिए, ऑल द साइड्स आर इक्वल इन अ रोम्बस एंड ऑल द साइड्स आर इक्वल इन अ स्क्वायर ऑल्सो. ओके, बट रोम्बस जो है वो रेक्टेंगल और स्क्वायर दोनों को मिलकर के बनता है. अंडरस्टैंड? सी, कुछ प्रॉपर्टीज़ वो रेक्टेंगल की लेता है, कुछ प्रॉपर्टीज़ वो स्क्वायर की लेता है. जैसे all the sides equal, okay, and all opposite angles are equal. It is the property of opposite angle are equal. It is a property of parallelogram. Okay, understand? So in a rhombus, opposite sides are parallel, all sides are equal, opposite angles are equal, and diagonal bisect each other at right angle. Now if we talk about a square, in all four sides are equal, opposite sides are parallel, each angle is a right angle, the diagonal are equal, and the diagonal bisect each other at a right angle. A square is an equilateral and equiangular quadrilateral, hence it is called a regular quadrilateral. स्क्वायर को हम रेगुलर क्वाड्रिलेटरल कहते हैं. वाई? बिकॉज इट इज़ अ इक्विलेटरल एंड इक्विएंगुलर. what is equilateral? Equilateral means all the sides are equal, and what is equiangular? Equiangular means all the angles are equal. Means in a square we know that in a square all the sides and all the angles are equal in measure. Okay, now if you talk about a rectangle is a parallelogram in which each angle is a right angle. Means in a rectangle all angles are having equal measure, means 90 degree. Understand? Okay, and what is second property of a rectangle? That each angle diagonal are equal, and diagonal bisect each other. Diagonal are equal and diagonal bisect each other. And what is the main property of a rectangle? Opposite sides are parallel and equal. In a rectangle we know that opposite sides are parallel and equal. Okay, understand? Now rectangle, rectangle, rhombus, square and parallelogram, ये सारे ही पैरेललोग्राम के, देखो कहीं कहीं पर आपको पैरेललोग्राम अगर लिखा हुआ आता है, पैरेललोग्राम का मीनिंग होता है वो रेक्टेंगल भी हो सकता है, वो रोम्बस भी हो सकता है, वो स्क्वायर भी हो सकता है, और वो पैरेललोग्राम भी हो सकता है. ओके, पैरेललोग्राम मीनिंग और अपोजिट साइड्स आर पैरेलल एंड इक्वल. ओके, अपोजिट साइड्स आर पैरेलल. अगर अपोजिट साइड्स, टू पेयर ऑफ अपोजिट साइड्स हैं, पैरेलल हैं, तो that means that they are parallelogram. Okay, understand? So in a rectangle, square, rhombus and parallelogram, इनमें क्या सिमिलरिटी है? इनकी अपोजिट साइड्स पैरेलल एंड इक्वल हैं. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? नाउ so a rectangle is a parallelogram with equal angle. Let us try to find the measure of each angle of a rectangle. Okay, we know that the angle sum of four angles of a quadrilateral is 360. Let each angle of a rectangle be x. If we take each angle be x, then all there is total four angles, so 4x is equal to 360 degree, so x is equal to 90 degree. Thus each angle of rectangle is a right angle. Okay, again the rectangle has all the property of parallelogram, such as opposite side as well as opposite angle are equal and diagonal bisect each other. But in a rectangle diagonal are equal also. In a rectangle, diagonal are equal. Okay, understand? And in a rhombus, if you talk about a rhombus is a quadrilateral in which all four sides are equal. In fact, rhombus is a special parallelogram in which all sides are equal. Hence, all the properties of parallelogram are also the properties of rhombus. But rhombus has one additional property. What is that? The diagonal of rhombus are perpendicular bisector of one another. Perpendicular bisector of one another. Perpendicular means 90 degree. Bisector means equally two halves में divide करते हैं. That is the bisect. They bisect each other at the angle of 90 degree and diagonal are bisecting the angle of all the four vertices. ओके मतलब चारों एंगल्स को भी वो बाइसेक्ट कर रहे हैं. ओके अंडरस्टैंड. सो दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ अ रोम्बस. ओके स्टूडेंट अंडरस्टैंड. सो एंड अ स्क्वायर is a rectangle with equal side. That means a square has all the properties of a rectangle along with one additional property. Diagonal of square are perpendicular bisector of each other and they are the angle bisector of angle of all the four vertices. Okay, understand? So student, what are main point we learn in this chapter? A quadrilateral is a polygon having four sides. A polygon is a closed figure formed by line segment. Okay, a quadrilateral is convex if each of its angle is less than 180 degree. The sum of angle of a quadrilateral is 360 degree, and we know how to find the angle sum of angle angle sum property of a polygon. If we want to find angle sum property of a polygon, any polygon, then we have a formula n minus 2 into 180 degree where n is equal to number of sides. Okay, understand? The sum of exterior angle of any polygon is 360 degree. Okay, in a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal, opposite angle are equal, diagonal bisect each other, each diagonal bisect the parallelogram. Okay, see, in a parallelogram, and rhombus, square and rectangle are having a property of parallelogram. What is main property of a parallelogram? Opposite sides are equal, opposite angles are equal, diagonal bisect each other, each diagonal bisect the parallelogram. Okay, understand? The diagonal of rhombus bisect each other at 90 degree. स्क्वायर के डायगोनल एक दूसरे को 90 डिग्री पर कट करते हैं और बाइसेक्ट करते हैं. द डायगोनल ऑफ रेक्टेंगल आर इक्वल एंड बाइसेक्ट ईच अदर. बट रेक्टेंगल के डायगोनल एक दूसरे को बाइसेक्ट तो करते हैं, बट ओनली बाइसेक्ट करते हैं, 90 डिग्री पर नहीं करते हैं. ठीक है. अ रेक्टेंगल इज अ पैरेललोग्राम इन विच एवरी एंगल इज अ राइट एंगल. ओके ओके. बट इन अ रेक्टेंगल डायगोनल ऑफ रेक्टेंगल आर ऑफ इक्वल लेंथ. लेंथ कैसी होती है उनकी? इक्वल होती है. अंडरस्टैंड. नाउ स्टेट ट्रू एंड फॉल्स. डू इट बाय योर सेल्फ and see the properties, all the properties of what have we discussed. All the properties is given. Parallelogram, the opposite sides are equal, opposite angle are equal, diagonal bisect each other one and another. In a rhombus, all the properties of parallelogram and diagonal are perpendicular to each other. Okay. And in a rectangle, all the properties of parallelogram, each of the angle is a right angle, diagonal are equal. Okay. A square, all the properties of parallelogram, rhombus and rectangle. Okay. Now what is kite? The diagonal are perpendicular to one another. One of the diagonal bisect the other. In the figure, this figure, measure of angle B is equal to measure of angle D and measure of angle A is not equal to measure of angle C. ओके. सो हम एंगल्स की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं काइट में. हम क्या बात कर रहे हैं? दो एडजेसेंट साइड, एग्जैक्टली टू पेयर ऑफ इक्वल कॉन्जिकेटिव साइड. कॉन्जिकेटिव का मतलब होता है एक के बाद एक. ओके, सो हियर व्हाट इज द कॉन्जिकेटिव साइड्स ऑफ काइट? दिस इज अवर कॉन्जिकेटिव साइड्स of kite. Okay, and this is our consecutive sides of kite. Okay, understand? Now if the question is this type, what is the difference between kite and rhombus? So what difference you have to write? In a kite, two pair of adjacent sides are equal in a length. All the four sides are equal in a rhombus. Okay, in a kite, shorter diagonal is bisect by the longer diagonal. शॉर्टर, छोटा वाला जो डायगोनल है काइट में, वो बड़े वाले डायगोनल को बाइसेक्ट करता है. ओके, बोथ द डायगोनल आर बाइसेक्टेड बाय ईच अदर इन अ रोम्बस. ओके, नाउ इन अ काइट द पेयर ऑफ द अपोजिट्स एंगल विच आर एट द वर्टाइसेस फॉर्मिंग शॉर्टर डायगोनल आर इक्वल, अदर पेयर इज अनइक्वल. बोथ द पेयर ऑफ अपोजिट एंगल आर इक्वल. Okay, longer diagonal bisect the pair of opposite angle, or both the diagonal are bisecting opposite pair of angle. Okay, understand? Now what is this? What is similarity? Diagonal are perpendicular in both, and area in the is half of the product of length of diagonals. Okay, understand? Okay, have a good day.